In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to undo actions in Power BI. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's dive right in. First, we need to understand that undoing actions in Power BI can take place in two primary areas, your reports and the Power Query Editor. Each area has its own unique way of handling undo actions. So let's get started with undoing actions in your reports. When you make a change to a visual or any element within your report, you may realize it wasn't quite what you wanted. In that case, Power BI has made it pretty straightforward for you. You can find the Undo button, which looks like a left-pointing arrow located in the top left corner of the Power BI interface. Simply click that button and it will revert your last action. However, there's an even quicker method if you prefer using keyboard shortcuts. You can press Ctrl and Z at the same time. This will instantly undo your last action, making it super efficient for users who like to keep their hands on the keyboard. Now, let's switch gears and talk about undoing actions in the Power Query Editor. This is a bit different. You might find it tricky because, unlike in your reports, the Power Query Editor does not have a standard undo button. So what's your option here? Well, it primarily involves deletion. If you make a mistake while transforming your data, the only viable way to reverse that action is to delete the steps you've taken. However, this requires a bit more caution. It's essential to be aware that once you delete a step, there's no easy way to recover it unless you've memorized what you did. This means you need to double-check your transformations before hitting that delete option. Think of it this way. When you're working in the Power Query Editor, consider maintaining a clear and organized process. Make notes if you're making several transformations, so if you need to delete any step, you can easily remember what you did. It can be very beneficial as it provides you with a mental checklist of your actions. So to recap, in your reports, you can easily reverse actions using the Undo button or keyboard shortcut. But in the Power Query Editor, always proceed with caution since your only option for undoing actions is deleting them. As you work with Power BI, don't forget to take a moment to save your work frequently. This habit can help protect your data and modifications from being lost, especially considering the limitations in the Power Query Editor. I hope this guide helps you feel more comfortable navigating undo actions in Power BI, whether you're making changes to your reports or transforming data in Power Query. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe.